It was an early evening when the light had not yet turned into morning. The clouds danced in the sky with shades of pink, purple, and gray. Little Emma sat in her home's garden with her small red backpack, feeling the warm breeze gently brushing against the grass. It wasn't bedtime yet, but the sky had started to darken, and the streetlights were slowly flickering on. Emma sighed, thinking about what she had learned at school that day. Her teacher had explained the importance of protecting nature and the environment, and had given everyone a responsibility assignment. Under a tree at the edge of the garden, a rusty tin can and a torn plastic bottle caught her attention. Her eyes widened as she thought, "Why are these here?" Her father often said, "Instead of throwing trash on the ground, we should put it in the recycling bin." Emma remembered his words and felt a small spark of responsibility inside her. Suddenly, an idea lit up in her mind. "Why don't I clean this up?" she murmured. She quickly opened her backpack, put on her little gloves, and started picking up the trash with her small hands. She carefully gathered the tin can, broken glass, and plastic bottle pieces. She sorted everything into separate bags for recycling. Then, she slung her backpack over her shoulders, held the bags tightly, and walked toward the house. When her mother opened the door and saw Emma, she was surprised. "Where did you find this trash?" she asked. Emma smiled and replied, "I'm cleaning up our garden, and at the same time, I'm completing my social responsibility assignment." Her mother hugged Emma and thanked her. Together, they properly sorted the trash into recycling bins. The tin can went into the metal bin, plastic bottles into the plastic bin, and papers into the paper bin. As Emma saw how important this process was, she became even more excited. She realized that properly disposing of waste was crucial for protecting the environment. Her mother praised her, saying, "You're growing up so well, my responsible little girl." That evening, Emma wanted to take a walk in the park with her father. By then, the sky was completely dark, and the streetlights cast their golden glow. The park was cool and quiet. The grass made a soft crunching sound under their steps, and the leaves whispered in the breeze. As Emma walked, she noticed a little puppy playing with a piece of paper on the ground, pushing it around with its paws. She wondered why the puppy was acting that way. Smiling, she thought, maybe it's trying to clean up the environment instinctively. She walked up to the puppy, patted its head, and picked up the paper. Her father watched the scene and said, "What do you think, Emma? Should we pick up the trash we see in the park as we walk?" Emma clapped her hands with joy. They started putting whatever they found into a small trash bag. Plastic wrappers, a crushed juice box, even a fallen lollipop wrapper. As they walked through the park, they realized how wonderful it was to help keep shared spaces clean. When they returned home, Emma felt tired but happy. She had cleaned both their garden and the park, making a small but meaningful difference for nature. She put on her pajamas, brushed her teeth, and was ready for bed. Her parents hugged her and said, "You did an amazing job today. Now you can sleep peacefully." As Emma rested her head on her pillow, her heart swelled with pride and joy. The last thought she had before closing her eyes was how wonderful it felt to make the world a better place, one small step at a time. "Next time, maybe I'll invite my neighborhood friends too," she whispered, and drifted into a deep sleep.